Are you looking for the best 3D projector screens? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best 3D projector screens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HOIN Projector Screen with Stand 100-inch 16:9 HD 4K. The HOIN Outdoor Projector Screen is a 100-inch 16:9 HD 4K screen designed for both indoor and outdoor use. With a wide viewing angle of 160 degrees, this screen provides sharp and high-resolution images, enriched colors, and a supreme watching experience from any position. Setting up the screen is a breeze, taking only 5 minutes without the need for screws or tools. The lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame makes it easy to transport, and the included carrying bag ensures it stays protected. Made with natural polyester fabric, the screen is transparent and double-sided, with a high-definition coating that eliminates wrinkles and curling. Perfect for home theaters, schools, offices, weddings, and outdoor movie nights, the HOIN Outdoor Projector Screen is a versatile and convenient choice for all your projection needs. What we like: easy and quick setup, portable and lightweight, wide viewing angle. Number 2. VIVOHOME 80-inch Manual Pull-Down Projector Screen. VIVOHOME Manual Projector Screen is a high-quality retractable widescreen matte screen that is perfect for your movie home theater, cinema, office, or video game setup. The metal casing ensures durability and protection during transportation. The screen is made of a smooth and flat white plastic material with a 3-layer composite structure, preventing wrinkles and deformation. The manual self-locking position system allows for accurate positioning and reduces pullback rebound. With a panoramic viewing angle of up to 160 degrees and a 16:9 widescreen view, you can enjoy a private and immersive movie experience. The screen supports 3D, 1080p, 4K, and full HD images, while the matte coating improves picture brightness and resists ambient light interference. The screen is easy to install on the wall or ceiling, making it suitable for various scenarios. What we like: premium materials, manual self-locking position system, new visual feast. Number 3. DUYIKJ 84-inch Portable Projector Screen. The DUYIKJ Portable Projector Screen is designed for versatility and ease of use. Its high-density polyester fabric enhances image clarity, making your movie nights more enjoyable. With a wide 160-degree viewing angle and a 16:9 aspect ratio, you can gather with friends and family, ensuring everyone has a great view. This lightweight and foldable screen can easily fit into your backpack, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or home use. Plus, setup is a breeze, taking only about 5 minutes with the included hooks and ropes, so you can spend more time watching and less time preparing. What we like: affordable price, easy setup, good image clarity, machine washable, portable for outdoor use. Number 4. DINAH 120-inch Electric Projector Screen. The DINAH Electric Projector Screen is perfect for movie lovers and professionals, featuring a generous 120-inch display that enhances your viewing experience. You can enjoy the convenience of a remote control, allowing you to effortlessly lower or retract the screen at the press of a button. Designed for high-quality 4K 3D HD projection, this screen brings your movies and presentations to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. Its space-saving drop-down design fits seamlessly into your home theater or office, creating a polished look while maximizing your space. What we like: large immersive screen, remote control convenience, high-quality 4K display, space-saving design.